Wow, that control in first gear. Hey guys, welcome back. Finally got my dad out on the trail. He's got his C34 kit with a 2-speed transmission in there, 20 amp ESC, some custom wheels, and I've got my trusty MN99. Same electronic setup, 20 amp ESC, but I've got weighted C34 wheels on mine. It's his first time out on the trail, so he's going to have to learn to pick this line carefully. Oh, I got stuck on the same bit as you, the route. Lovely and smooth, that 2-speed gearbox. I'll lead the way, shall I? Show you which way to go. I've been waiting ages to get out on the trail with my dad. I'm going to take a wide line by this so I can hook it right up onto the trail then. Oh, I caught a stick. That's not unusual. This is his first time outside the garden. Gotta do it while I'm here. My favourite line. See, I gotta stay really close to the left hand line, the tree. So when I get up there, come back through. You gonna attempt this one, Dad? We're in first gear, you creep up there. Come back down. Wow, that control in first gear. It's like a tractor in first gear. Where's he gone?
Oh, I don't know, I'm coming back to the line.
Yeah, look at the 3-pointer. Nicely done. Caught a leaf. If you follow me, I'll be straight back.
I think I got my top.
Oh, it's nice anyway, lightweight now at the top.
I weighed the top and it was 100,000 grams, so that's no, 100 grams.
100 grams?
That's 16 stone.
In scale, that's 16 stone, 100 grams.
16 stone.
So you're going to take your time coming down the riverbed. And lucky I got these wheel weights on, they're really hanging on for me. You've got to pick your line carefully, you have. You get anywhere, you just got to choose your line. So I'm not going up that side, look, I've got the right hand side now. Nice slow bit of reverse in there. What am I stuck on now? I always come up this, there we go. Up she goes. I'm going to plop them in first gear for this type of climbing. I think those tyres will do you justice. Is that in first gear now? Now it is. A distinctive tractor noise. Then come back a bit there, work your way up, do a couple of turns if you need to. Oh, piece of cake. Right there. Oops, sorry. There we go. We'll park up now in the nice scenic spot. Get a photo up. Nice and slow and controlled there. Oh, can we get any closer? Hey, cheers for watching, guys. I'm gonna be hitting the trail now off camera. Just thought I'd give you a taste. I'll catch you on the next one.